Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. We are going to start now. Within, yeah. Yes, sir. We are going to start. Good morning, participants. Welcome for this beautiful session. On behalf of Ministry Youth Affairs and Sports, Khelo India, LNCP, I welcome you all for this beautiful session. Today we have two special guests, a passionate guests, and a special pearls for you with us. One among them is Mr. Sujit Panigrahi, CEO, Fitness 365, and Surya Prakash sir. Two pearls we have with us. About Sujit Panigrahi sir. Sir is a CEO for Fitness 365, which runs a structured physical education and sports coaching program in more than 1,500 schools across India. Fitness 365 is managing the Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program for Sports Authority of India, Swasth Bacche Swasth Bharat program for KVS, and is also a part of a Fitness India program. Sir is also a part of CBSE and NCRT curriculum committees. Another special thing is that Sir is being so interested in this physical education activities. With that, Sujit Panigrai sir is more deeper interested in technology, sports science and education, and has an over 23 years experience in this industries. Sujit has done ME System of Information and Master of Management studies from BITS Pilani, India. Sujit was the additional director of general for Commonwealth Games, Delhi 2010. And he is also a founder of Sequa Fitness and Sports Technology during 2010. That was also inaugurated by PM of India on 27 February 2019. Sujit sir is also the co-founder of Convergent Technologies, which helps companies like Apple, Samsung, Logitech, BlackBerry, Airtel, Volvo to connect with these channels partners to track sales, stock, define schemes, achievements versus tag, and help them with a channel related communications. In this earlier job, Sujit has worked with an Armsoft systems, built TV graphics and real-time result system and services for ESPN, Star Sports, NDTV and Doordarshan. So wonderful career he had, and sir is with us, and he is uh, going to present a paper on article or a information related to Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program and a battery of tests. Sir, on behalf of Ministry Youth Affairs and Sports, Khelo India, Sai LNCP, and behalf of our respected principal, sir, I welcome you for this session, sir. And now another pearl we have Suresh Prabhakar sir, a wonderful, charming person, a very passionate, dedicated person in this physical education field. Sir works at an Kendriya Vidyalaya, number 2, Golconda, Hyderabad, and member regional sports control board KVS Hyderabad, in charge sports cell KVS regional office Hyderabad. Sir is awarded with an KVS national incentive in the year 2015. Sir is also a professional in physical education with an qualification of MP Ed, Master of Physical Education, and MPhil also in physical education. Sir, on behalf of Ministry Youth Affairs and Sports, Khelo India, Sai LNCP, and on behalf of our respected principals, sir, I welcome you for this beautiful session. Even our participants are eagerly waiting for your lecture on this present day. So I request both of you to rain on our participants. Participants pay attention for their valuable lecture. Now I request Sujit Panigrahi sir and Surya Prakash sir to take over this session. Thank you.
Yeah.
Your presence is most valuable for us. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Sanju sir. Thank you, Sanju sir, for warm welcome. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sanjeev sir. For inviting both Surya Prakash sir and myself. So I would like to express my gratitude to Sports Authority of India Sai LNCP Trivandrum and Khelo India for giving this opportunity. And since this is a mandate that they have for Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program Pan India, so the PE teachers and the sports coaches are the most important pillar of this program of Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program. The success of the program lies in the hands of all the PE teachers and sports coaches. So it's actually very nice to be talking to them. In batch one, we talked about 8,000 plus PE teachers and sports coaches. And here we are going to talk to about 4,000-5,000 PE teachers. So with that, and I would also like to thank Dr. G. Kishore and Usha ma'am. Dr. G. Kishore is such a positive person that you hardly get to meet someone so positive in their approach. And he actually encourages every single positive initiative that one wants to take. Dr. Kishore is not there, but when he comes, I would like to express my gratitude to him because he's a extremely important pillar in this entire journey for PE teachers and sports coaches. What he's doing is wonderful. So let me, without taking much time, I'm going to start the thing. So between me and Surya Prakash sir, we are going to take this session. So this is about the Khelo India National Fitness Program, battery of fitness tests for 5 to 8 years and 9 to 18 years. That's basically for class 1, 2 and 3 and 9 to 18 years. I just want to talk to you about little stories about some of the athletes. So let's start with Hima Das. Hima Das, everyone knows Hima Das. She's a #1 athlete in this country right now. She's the first one to actually win IAAF at a very early age. She is from a very small town in Assam and one of the 5 daughters of a farmer. And so she's from an extremely poor family. And she moved from football to running on the advice of the PE teacher. Earlier, she used to play football with boys when she was very young. And the PE teacher noticed that that her running is so good that she actually advised her to move from football to sprinting, probably at the age of 10 and 11. At the age of 18, she became the Asian Games medalist at the age of 18. And she is now a household name. So between the PE teacher and the sports coach, there's a huge role that both of them played. Then let's talk about Karnam Malleswari. She was born in Andhra Pradesh in a small place, and again one of the 5 daughters. She started when she was just 12 and trained under coach N. Appanna. In 1990, Sports Authority of India spotted her, and she joined the national campus. At the age of 18, again she became the World Championship bronze medalist, and she has got 4 World Championship medals, 2 Asian Games medal, and bronze medal in Sydney Olympics 2000. Let's then take the example of Dutee Chand again. Dutee Chand, when you look at Dutee Chand, born in a small place in Odisha, below poverty line is where she was born. Hardly any. She did not have many supporters in and around this thing. But again, her coach identified her, and at the age of 16, she actually won the bronze medal in Asian Championship 200 meters, and she has got 2 medals in Asian Games. If you look at the journey of all three of them were spotted by the PE teachers and the sports coach at a very young age, at the age of 8 to 12 years. And by the time of 16 to 18 years, they actually performed at the highest level, which basically means that the role of a PE teacher or a sports coach is extremely high. So the message is that you need to identify talent at a very young age, and you identify talent at 8, and so that you become a champion at 16 or 18. If you look at Sachin Tendulkar also, again, it's the same thing. So Sachin Tendulkar's guru, that's Archekar ji, he played a key role in his entire journey. And Sachin actually played cricket at the age of 16 at the highest level, international cricket. If he had played at the age of 22, 23, he would have lost 6 to 7 years. But because he played at a very young age, so he also scored the highest number of runs. So it's very important that you identify talent at a very young age so that you become a champion also early. which basically brings us to this particular diagram, which basically says that if you, India has about 33 crore children, 30 crore school going children, and another 8 crore out of school children. If every school spends 60 minutes on physical education and sports, like you spend time on mathematics and science and English, where there's a class every single day on all the subjects. So if you have, similarly, if you look at physical education sports, if every child gets to play 60 minutes per day, automatically the base will become bigger. If the base becomes bigger, then the podium finish at the top will also increase. So what you need is a very structured roadmap for India, and this is what Sports Authority is trying to do. And the bottom of the pyramid are the PE teachers and the community sports coaches in schools. So it is very important that we actually have all the PE teachers and community coaches who are trained the right way, whether it is related to curriculum or related to assessment, so that you can perform the job better. And who knows, you could be the next Dronacharyas. So when we talk about every Arjuna, we also talk about Dronacharyas. So right now, all of you are Dronacharyas who are responsible for the identifying the interest of the child and making sure the child actually has a good journey. So this is an opportunity for all the school leaders and PE teachers to transform India. And it's very important that all of you as principals, HMs, PE teachers, sports coaches, that you actually can find the next champions. So this is in the month of February 2019, Prime Minister launched the Khelo India Fitness Assessment Program. And let me just show you what the program does. So this is a small video of that. It's called Champions Dhunde. Yeah, so what you can see is that this is a Khelo India app, and it was launched in February 2019. And so right now we have almost a lakh plus PE teachers who are enrolled in the program. And we have almost roughly around 35, 37,000 schools which are part of this program already. And here the objective is that from the school, we should be able to identify talent. So there are two aspects to the program, the Khelo India National Fitness Program. So there are two aspects. One is physical fitness assessment for all school-going children. That's one. And the second part is a sports skills assessment for identifying potential talent. So it is very important that the child actually, for a school, you have a program which is a balanced program between academics and sports. So every child, whenever he gets an academic report card, he or she also gets a physical fitness report card. So if you get 80% in academics and 80% in physical fitness, it's so much better than getting 95% in academics and 16 fitness, or the other way around. So it's very important for a child to have a very balanced education, balance between academic, sports, art and culture, all of that put together. And who knows, in the middle school is when you actually start identifying the talent for children. So what is important is that uh, based on the interest of the child, a child may be interested in mathematics, science, sports, art, dance, you never know. Whatever is the interest of the child, whatever is the interest, based on that you start nurturing that, and you should be able to identify the sporting talent as well. These are so the Khelo India had a committee of experts, and they actually they created a Khelo India battery of tests for 5 to 8 years, that is class 1, 2 and 3, and for 9 to 18 years, that is class 4 to 12. And there are 3 tests for 5 to 8 years, and there are 6 tests for class 4 to 12, and these are the tests. I'm not going to get into detail. Surya sir is going to take this portion, but this is to tell you that these are the battery of tests, 3 for 5 to 8 years on this thing. There are 4 key stakeholders in this entire program. One is the assessor. Assessor is a teacher or a sports coach. Second is the school.
Excuse me.
The school.
Can I interrupt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, any PPTs are there to show, or later it will be shown?
So I'm showing the PPT, sir.
But,
Is it not visible?
yes, sir, not visible. Sir.
Oh, but I've been showing it since then.
From here it is not visible, sir.
Sir, is it visible now?
Yes, sir, visible.
But I've been showing it for quite some time. I don't know. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no problem. I expected that it will be shown now.
Okay, because I just want to let me just show this little video, and then I thought it's visible. I'm so sorry.
No problem. Thank you, sir.
यहाँ ढूंढो बाहर ढूंढो, घर में भी या बाहर ढूंढो, खेलते होंगे कहीं वो, अरे इंडिया के नए चैंपियन ढूंढो। फुटबॉल में, कबड्डी में, निक्कर में या चड्डी में, हॉकी में या टीटी में, रेस में या पीटी में, मम्मी भी और पापा भी, टीचर भी और मामा भी, अंकल आंटी बच्चा पार्टी ढूंढेंगे अब चैंपियंस भी। खेले कहाँ खेले, चाहे गुरु हो या चेले, कितने फिट हो यहाँ देखो, रूल सारे यहाँ सीखो। कितना तेज दौड़े देखो, कितना दूर कूदे देखो, खेलते होंगे कहीं वो, अरे चलो गिले चैंपियन ढूंढो।
खेले भी हिले भी।
खेलो इंडिया ऐप के साथ आप भी ढूंढ सकते हैं अगले चैंपियंस। तो कोई फोन न रह जाए जिसमें ये ऐप ना हो, ताकि कोई चैंपियंस ना रह जाए जो डिस्कवर ना हो।
अरे चलो गिले चैंपियन ढूंढो।
खेलो इंडिया ऐप, चलो चैंपियंस ढूंढे।
So as you can see that the purpose of this app is to identify talent, where so there are 3 aspects of the program: way to play, कहाँ खेल सकते हैं, how to play, sports के 18 sports के जो खेलो इंडिया sports के rules हैं, and third is to get fit, which is basically about fitness assessment based on which हम identify कर सकते हैं talent. तो ये जो मैंने आपको अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था, फिटनेस असेसमेंट फॉर ऑल स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन, हर बच्चे का फिजिकल फिटनेस रिपोर्ट कार्ड होना जरूरी है, सो दैट उसको एकेडमिक रिपोर्ट कार्ड के साथ टर्म 1 एंड टर्म 2 में उसको फिजिकल फिटनेस रिपोर्ट कार्ड भी साथ में मिले। सेकंड है जो स्पोर्ट्स टैलेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए, जो भी बच्चे किसी भी स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे होते हैं उनके लिए स्पोर्ट्स स्किल्स असेसमेंट। तो ये है बैटरी ऑफ टेस्ट खेलो इंडिया के। 3 टेस्ट है 5 to 8 इयर्स के लिए, क्लास 1 to 3 के लिए, and 6 टेस्ट है 9 to 18 years, that is for class 4 to 12. Surya Prakash sir he is going to take you through this battery of test. तो इसके 4 मेन स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं। एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है assessor है, who is a PE teacher or the sports coach in a school. It could also be primary teachers in a school. A lot of schools do not have PE teachers, so even primary teachers can also do assessment अगर वो train हो खेलो इंडिया फिटनेस असेसमेंट पे। Second है schools, मतलब principals जो है, they can generate the ID card for students, they can assign PE teachers, they can generate the fitness report card, and they can track the progress of the school. Third stakeholder है parents, जो अपने बच्चों का fitness report card they can see. They can view the dashboard of their children. They can look at the insights and the drill down, and they can view fitness history over a period of time. Fourth है Sports Authority of India. उनका purpose simple है, is to identify talent. So this is going to be 3-stage program: fitness assessment of all children. Second है advanced skills assessment, and third is identification talent through sports specific fitnesses. तो ये 3 main चीजें। तो पहला वाला हो गया PE teacher का इंटरफेस है, so where the PE teacher can actually download, take test, and this is a battery of test. Once they have taken the test, it can be visible to the, so they can actually, so every child also has an ID card, they can do the assessment and वो देख सकते हैं। अभी हम वो देखते हैं, अभी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जो हमें देखना है, हम 3 तीन चीज हम देखेंगे between today and tomorrow. First one is about HM login or the principal login, where how they can create login and password for themselves for the school, and how they can actually add all the PE teachers to the school and download the report. The second important ones are the PE teachers. As PE teachers, you need to download Khelo India School version app from the Play Store, and then create the user ID and password. And third, tomorrow we will see the parent app. So let us start with registration of school and assessors and how to upload the student data, generate ID card, and conduct the test. So this is the first part that we are going to see right now. तो ये हम देखेंगे अभी registration of school and assessor, upload कैसे करना है student data and generate कैसे करना है. So this is the school interface where we are going to look at registration of school, uploading and managing the student data, generating the QR coded ID card of student, linking the assessor in a school, assessor मतलब PE teacher or sports coach को, then looking at the report and looking at a filtered view. So let's start with the principal. We will learn how to register the school and obtain the school user ID and password. वो पहला वाला स्टेप है कि स्कूल को schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in में जाना है और user ID and password कैसे जनरेट करना है. So let's look at it. So this is a URL, schoolfitness. Let's look at this.
So here we will learn how to sign up on Khelo India National Fitness Program for schools. First of all, you have to click on this URL. You have to type schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in. After that, you will click on this sign up button. New school self-registration page will open. You have to fill certain school details. Wants to join through. You can select school chain or board. I have selected board. From this list of given boards, you have to select your school board. School code, UDICE code. You have to enter your school code or your UDICE code.
UDICE code जो है अगर आपको नहीं मिलता है तो आप UDICE के साइट में जाके you can search for your school and you can find the UDICE code. So every school in India has a UDICE number. So just go and download. UDICE का site है. I think it's udice.gov.in. So you can actually go there.
So here we will learn how to sign up on Khelo India National Fitness Program for schools. First of all, you have to click on this URL. You have to type schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in. After that, you will click on this sign up button. New school self-registration page will open. You have to fill certain school details. Wants to join through. You can select school chain or board. I have selected board. From this list of given boards, you have to select your school board. School code, UDICE code. You have to enter your school code or your UDICE code. Select zone. So if your school is from North India, you have to select North. If your school is from South India, you have to select South. And if your school is from West, Northeast, East, Central, you have to select as per the location of your school. Region. My region is Delhi East. State Delhi East. City is South Delhi. School name. Now make sure that you enter correct and complete name of your school. My school name is New Greenfield School, Saket. Select the shift. Enter your school mail ID. Make sure that you enter correct school mail ID because one OTP will be sent on this mail ID. Enter your OTP here. Click on this verify button. OTP verified successfully. Same way you have to enter your school mobile number. One OTP will be sent on your mobile number. Please verify this number. Close. School address. You have to enter your complete school address. School website address. Please enter your school website. In school description, you have to enter approx strength of your school. After that comes school admin details. Here you have to enter the name of your principal or HM. Select the designation, gender. After that, enter the CAPTCHA. Please check the entries which you have done are correct. After that, click on this submit button. One message comes up saying school added successfully. Click on this close button. Now one mail has been sent on the email address which you have entered while registering. Let's check that email. So this is the mail which we have received. Here we have username and password. Using this user ID and password, you have to log in on Khelo India National Fitness Program portal. So this is how you register on Khelo India portal.
Just wanted to tell everyone that ये जो email है ये बहुत important email है. इसके अंदर don't delete this email. It has a user ID, it has a password. It also tells you कि as a school आपको क्या क्या करना है. It says go to this school, log in with this thing. It says upload student data, choose and attach the assessors of this thing. तो ये जो 5 स्टेप्स है जो आपको करना है ये सब कुछ इसमें दे रखा है और इसके साथ ये भी दे रखा है द फॉलोइंग लिंक्स विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. तो सारे लिंक्स कहाँ पे क्या है सारी चीज इसमें दे रखा है. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एक्चुअली whenever you are activating a school activation you will get the entire detail in terms of all of this. तो ये आप इस चीज को आप ध्यान में रखें कि whenever you are getting an email so it has all the details. So this email is important. आप चाहे तो आप इसको प्रिंट करके keep it with you. So this is a email that OTP verification we talked about it. Very simple. Confirmation email also we talked about it. It has all the details with you. It has all the steps which are there for you to do the security के presentations, assessment के manual, सब कुछ दे रखा है इसमें. Just in case someone actually forgets their email address or this thing, so आप एक तो उसको आप print रखिए. In case you have forgotten, you can put the school code, that is a UDIS code that you are done, or the user ID that has got generated, Khelo India username, or the email or mobile number. चारों में से if you remember any of them, you will be able to retrieve your email address or your account. Second हो गया, so that is for the schools. आप एक school कैसे create करना, बड़ा simple steps था. Board select किया, zone select किया, state select किया, city select किया और school का detail, email, phone number डाला, वो generate हो गया पूरा. Second हो गया PE teachers को क्या करना है. As a PE teacher, this is what you need to do. Go to Google Play Store and यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे ये white color का icon है. It says Khelo India School version. Download that app. So once you download, let us see what is it. How does a PE teacher register themselves? The yellow color one is for the parents. The white one is for the So let's see.
This is Khelo India application. Please click on Start Fitness Assessment. Click on Sign Up button. Please enter your name. Enter your correct email address. It should be your personal email address. Please enter your phone number. Enter your school address. It is optional. Please enter your state. Mine is Delhi East. Enter your district. Enter your city name. Enter your block. enter your qualification, gender. Have you attended any TOT? Please select this if you are attending any TOT, and if you are not attending, please leave it. Take the remaining two boxes and click on sign up button. So this is the trainer ID. You have to take screenshot of it, and when we will go to manage assessor on Principal HM portal, it will be required. Thank you.
Yeah. So आप ये देख सकते हैं, you can see that once you have registered, again a similar email will come to the PE teachers. Principal के केस में उससे बोला था कि आप PE teachers को ऐड कीजिए. PE teachers के पास email जाएगा that go to the principal and give your Khelo India ID. So once you've done that, this is a kind of letter that a PE teacher gets. It says this is the user ID and password, and उसमें ये भी लिखा हुआ है उसमें कि how to. It says that you may request your school principal to do the following: log into this app, go to manage assessor, search for your name or this thing and activate. तो ये step 1 तो हो गया कि स्कूल के registration. Step 2 हो गया जितने भी teachers का registration है, इसमें instruction लिखा हुआ है. Again, take a print out of this and keep it with you. Keep it in a safe place. It is better. ताकि हम बार-बार नहीं भूलेंगे. But बाकी सारे links क्या-क्या helpful होगा वो सारे लिखा हुआ है इधर कि क्या-क्या helpful है आपके लिए. Third step क्या है? Third step है तो एक प्रिंसिपल ने स्कूल क्रिएट कर लिया, असेसर ने अपना क्रिएट कर लिया. थर्ड स्टेप इज टू अपलोड द स्टूडेंट डेटा. लेट्स सी हाउ टू अपलोड द स्टूडेंट डेटा.
So now as you have received user ID and password for your Principal HM, so first of all what you have to do now is you will go to schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in. After that you will click on login button. Enter the user ID and password here which you have received. Enter CAPTCHA. Click on this sign in button. So this is the page of your school for Khelo India, and these are school fitness app statistics. Here you can see till now no student has been uploaded. So to upload students data, we have to go on student. We will click on student data upload. Now by default my school name is already there. I have to select profile. I will select it as personal profile. Now you can see 3 orange colored buttons have come up. So first of all click on this download template. One Excel sheet named personal profile will get downloaded. Open this file. So in the first row you can see there are 2 colors. First one is orange and the second one is yellow. The fields in the orange color are mandatory for you and the fields in yellow are not mandatory for you. So you are required to fill up all the fields that are in orange color. In the first column you have to enter school code. In the second column you will enter student admission number. In the third column name of the student. After that gender, class, section, roll number and date of birth. Save the data. Now click on this choose file button. Select personal profile in which we have uploaded students data. Click on open. After that click on this upload button. Now we have successfully uploaded the students data. One message has come up. Thank you for uploading the data. Your request has been submitted. So this is.
तो इसमें एक important aspect है. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि there are 2 files. One is a download template, the other one is sample data. तो किसी को भी कभी कुछ problem हो, आप जब इसमें जाएंगे, इसमें आप देखेंगे बड़ा simple है. 3 tabs ही है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. एक में students को manage करने के लिए, एक में PE teachers को manage करने के लिए, तीसरा report है. बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इंटरफेस है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है. तो स्टूडेंट पे ये आप इसको आपको जो काम करना है टेम्पलेट को डाउनलोड करके काम कीजिए. जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट फाइल नेम इज नॉट चेंज्ड एंड सैंपल डेटा आप डाउनलोड करके देख सकते हो उसमें.
This is how we upload the students data. Click on home button. Now you can see the students which we have uploaded can also be seen on this home page. This is how we upload the students' data. Thank you.
Yeah. So quite straightforward, बहुत simple है उसमें. आप student वाले बटन में जाके you can actually upload the student data. दो files है, एक download template और एक sample data. Sample data में you can see how the format is. Important ये है कि इसमें जो format है, gender, just make sure that gender is correct. Just make sure that the date of birth is correct. इंडिया में काफी बार वो एक्सेल शीट में उल्टा हो जाता है, मंथ एंड डेट्स, सो मेक श्योर दैट DDMM YYY वो फॉर्मेट में हो डेट ऑफ बर्थ. और जेंडर जो है बॉय गर्ल मेल फीमेल ट्रांस BGT और M and F ये सारे ऑल आर एक्सेप्टेबल कैरेक्टर्स, एनीथिंग, सो आप किसी भी फॉर्मेट में आप कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट ये है कि अगर कुछ एरर आ जाता है तो हाउ डू यू रेक्टिफाई द एरर, सो लेट्स लुक एट दैट.
If some errors come in uploading students' data, let's see how to rectify them. First of all, go to schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in. Click on this login button. Enter user ID and password. Enter CAPTCHA. Click on sign in button. Select student. Student data upload. Select profile. Click on download template. Open this personal profile sheet. So this is the Excel sheet where you have to upload the students' data. Here you will enter school code. This is the school code which you have to enter. Here you will enter student admission number, name of the student, enter gender here. You can enter gender in the form of male, female, boy, girl, M, F, B or G. Class you have to enter in Roman form. Enter alphabets in section. Enter roll number here. Date of birth. In date of birth you have to follow the format of DD/MM/YYYY. So this is the dummy data which we have entered. Save this data. Now let's try to upload this data. Click on choose file. Open personal profile sheet. Click on upload button. Some errors have been detected in Excel sheet. Download the error log file and rectify your sheet accordingly. Click on this download button.
तो आप इसमें देख सकते हैं कि there's a whenever you have error, so there's an Excel file that you can download, and Excel file में क्या error आता है you can just see.
Open this sheet. So these are error details. In row number 10, school code is not matching with the selected school. In row number 2, duplicate student UID. In row number 3, duplicate student UID. And again in row number 3, date of birth is not in correct format. So let's correct these details. Go to the personal profile sheet. Change the school code.
आप इसमें you can see that इसमें school code problem था. Normally इसमें भी एक problem होता है कि पहली बार आप school code डालते हैं and you tend to आप इसको जो drag करते हैं auto increment हो जाता है. So make sure the school code is exactly the same जिसमें आप ये कर रहे हैं.
Correct student admission number. Correct the date of birth here.
ये स्कूल का जो एडमिशन नंबर है, हर स्कूल में ये इसको एडमिशन नंबर बोलिए, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर बोलिए. स्कूल में नॉर्मली जब भी नया बच्चा होता है, नॉर्मली ये सारे यूनिक नंबर ही होता है स्कूल में, एंड इसमें चेंज नहीं होता है ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. जेंडर आप देख सकते हैं, बॉय, मेल, बी, जी, ये सारे अलाउड है कैरेक्टर्स. एंड डेट ऑफ बर्थ हैज टू बी प्रॉपर. सो डेट ऑफ बर्थ जो है DDMM YYYY ये होना चाहिए. And yellow में जो जितने भी है, these are all optional fields. What is there in orange is all mandatory. What is there in yellow is optional.
Save the changes that you have made. Now try to re-upload the personal profile sheet. Click on choose file. Select personal profile sheet. Open. Click on upload button. One message has come. Thank you for uploading the data. Your request has been submitted. So this is how you upload the students' data. And if error comes, you rectify this way. Thank you.
ठीक है. So what you can see that बहुत simple है इसमें error के लिए. System is intelligent enough to identify कि आपका error क्या है. It tells you also. आप download करके उसको row wise देखिए कि कहाँ पे error है, and then you can rectify that thing. Very simple. आप इसको please आज try कीजिए so that tomorrow when we have the session, आपको कोई doubt है तो हम देख सकते हैं. Second, the next step. तो हमने क्या किया, स्कूल रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, एसएससी रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, बच्चों का डेटा अपलोड कर लिया. नाउ विल जनरेट द स्टूडेंट आईडी कार्ड्स. दैट्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज डन.
Now to download students' fitness ID cards, first of all you have to log in. Enter principal HM user ID and password. Enter CAPTCHA.
लॉगिन कर लीजिए एज प्रिंसिपल. तो प्रिंसिपल
Click on sign in button. Now here you have to go on student. Click on student login password. Select the school. Select the class of which you want to download the fitness ID card. Click on view button. So these are the students in class first A. Click on this checkbox. Click on this print fitness ID cards. These are the ID cards. Click on this print button to print fitness ID cards.
इसमें आप देखेंगे बहुत सिंपल था प्रोसेस. जो आईडी कार्ड था बेसिकली बस आपको सिलेक्ट करना है और क्लिक करना है. तो आईडी कार्ड के लिए आपको कोई मेजर कुछ भी नहीं करना है. ये जैसे हमने देखा था इसमें आपको बस ये स्टूडेंट में जाके लॉगिन पासवर्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है, क्लास को सिलेक्ट करना है एंड जस्ट सेव प्रिंट. इसमें दूसरा है, इसमें दो फंक्शनलिटी है. प्रिंटिंग ऑफ आईडी कार्ड है, दूसरा क्लिक टू प्रमोट. बच्चों को अगर प्रमोट करना है नेक्स्ट क्लास में तो ये कर सकते हैं, हम बाद में इसको देखेंगे. बट ब्रॉडली बहुत सिंपल है. स्टूडेंट लॉगिन एंड पासवर्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है, क्लास सिलेक्ट करना है, देन यू कैन प्रिंट द आईडी कार्ड्स. एंड ये आईडी कार्ड्स में क्यूआर कोड है जो हमने अभी देखा था.
Select the class of which you want to download.
अभी हमने क्या क्या कर लिया, स्कूल्स क्रिएट कर लिया, सारे पी टीचर्स ने रजिस्टर कर लिया, स्टूडेंट का डेटा अपलोड कर लिया, स्टूडेंट का आईडी कार्ड हमने जनरेट कर लिया. बहुत सिंपल है. नाउ वी आर रेडी. अभी हमें जो पी टीचर्स है स्कूल का, अब हम सबको जोड़ना है. प्रिंसिपल हैज टू लिंक ऑल द पी टीचर्स. लेट्स सी हाउ टू लिंक.
So now to manage assessors on principal HM page, you have to click on manage assessor. Here you have to enter trainer ID. Click on search button. Now this is the trainer ID. This is the name of the trainer, mail ID of the trainer and contact number of the trainer. After that you have to click on activate button. Are you sure you want to activate the selected assessor with your school? Click on yes button. Now click on registered with school. So now you can see the trainer is activated with this school and he has also received user ID and password for Khelo India Fitness Assessment mobile application.
बहुत सिंपल है. जो आपके स्कूल में अगर 5 पी टीचर है, आप जाके यहाँ पे एसेसर का आईडी, पी टीचर के पास एसेसर आईडी, उससे सर्च कर सकते हैं, उसके नाम से भी सर्च कर सकते हैं, उसकी ईमेल से भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. किसी भी फॉर्म में एक पी टीचर को सर्च करके आप उसको
On the mail ID which was entered while doing sign up on Khelo India mobile application. This is the mail which was received. This is the user ID and password. Using this user ID and password, he can log in the mobile application and can start fitness assessment. Thank you.
Right. तो बहुत सिंपल है असेसर्स को जोड़ना. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट एक प्रिंसिपल को काफी बार क्या होता है जो जिसने लास्ट ईयर असेसमेंट किया होगा कुछ स्कूलों ने. तो हाउ डू यू प्रमोट और ट्रांसफर स्टूडेंट्स. सो लेट्स लुक एट कि अगर बच्चा क्लास 2 में था, एक बार असेसमेंट हो गया तो उसको प्रमोट या ट्रांसफर कैसे कर सकते हैं. या कुछ बच्चे स्कूल छोड़ के चले जाते हैं तो उनको ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स लुक एट हाउ दैट इज डन.
To promote students, click on Student, Student Login Password, select School, select Class, click here to promote. These are current class.
आप देख सकते हैं इसमें जो उसमें जो था प्रमोट वाले बटन में, प्रमोट करने से पहले वो लिखा हुआ है कि पहले क्या सेक्शन था, और करंटली 1A है, जब प्रमोट होने के बाद वो 2A हो जाएगा, राइट, उस क्लास के जो बच्चे। तो ये मोटा मोटा ये दिखा रहा है कि पूरे स्कूल में हर बच्चा पहले प्रमोट करना है आपको, अगर सेक्शन चेंज करना हो तो पार्ट 2 में करें।
Classes. These are after promotion classes. Click on this promote button. Click on I agree. Now to delete students record, click on select school, select class, click on view button, select the student, click on edit. To transfer or to delete student, click on transfer.
आप इसमें देखेंगे कि एक्चुअली बच्चों को हमें ट्रांसफर करना है, तो ये बच्चा स्कूल छोड़ के जा रहा है, तो आप उसको, आप दो चीज इसमें, या तो उसका सेक्शन को चेंज करना है तो यू कैन चेंज द सेक्शन हियर। किसी बच्चे को गलती से आपने, काफी बार क्या होता है 2 बार आपने प्रमोट कर दिए, सो देन यू हैव टू डिमोट देम आल्सो, सो यू कैन डू दैट। या तो आप उसको सेक्शन चेंज है तो यू कैन डू दैट, और यू वांट टू, अगर बच्चा स्कूल छोड़ के जा रहा है तो उसका टीसी ले लिया तो ट्रांसफर हो गया।
To promote students, click on Student, Student Login Password. Now to delete students record, click on Select School, select Class, click on View button, select the student, click on Edit. To transfer or to delete student, click on Transfer. Click on Yes button. Thank you.
किसी बच्चे को आपको डिलीट नहीं करना है, क्योंकि बच्चे जो है जो स्कूल में पढ़ रहे थे, आप उनको ट्रांसफर करते हैं, यू नेवर डिलीट। डिलीट आप तभी यूज करेंगे जब वो एक्सीडेंटली अपनी कोई आईडी क्रिएट किया हुआ, तब आप डिलीट करेंगे, अदरवाइज यू डोंट डिलीट ए स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज उसका डेटा वो 5 साल पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ था, ही वाज स्टिल अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ द स्कूल। ऑल दैट यू नीड टू डू इज टू ट्रांसफर दैट स्टूडेंट। now if you really look at it, तो आपने सारी चीज कर लिया था, पहले हमने सारे पूरे प्रोसेस जो कर लिया, स्कूल क्रिएट किया, पी टीचर सारे हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया, उनको जोड़ा स्कूल के साथ, बच्चों को डेटा अपलोड कर लिया, उनकी आईडी कार्ड्स हमने जनरेट कर लिया। इन केस देयर वर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर टू बी promoted, that has also been done. Now it is, now all the PE teachers are ready to do the assessment, उनके उसमें automatically आ गए। So here, when you look at it, so the moment the PE teachers are linked with the school, the student data is uploaded automatically. जितना भी student का data है, that will be there on the mobile phone. अभी आप जितने भी लोग हैं, जितना PE teachers हैं, coaches हैं, आप आज के बाद, अभी जब ये session खत्म होगा, please download the Khelo India school version app on your mobile, and please create your schools if it is not created, and upload sample data. 4-5 बच्चों का ही अपलोड कर लीजिए, so that you can see whether it is getting onto your downloaded on your mobile phone. ये बहुत simple process है, please do that today, so that tomorrow it will be even better to understand. अभी जो है, now we are going to talk about the battery of test, जिसमें 3 टेस्ट है छोटे बच्चों के लिए, 5 to 8 years, that is class 1, 2 and 3. There are three tests: BMI, static balance and coordination. BMI is body composition, height upon weight upon height square. बेसिकली आपके हाइट को अगर स्क्वायर के ऊपर रख देते हैं, आपका हाइट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाइट पे रखते हैं, kg by meter square, that will show कि आपका वेट पर मीटर स्क्वायर में कितना वेट है आपका. So that is what BMI stands for. स्टैटिक बैलेंस जो है फ्लैमिंगो बैलेंस टेस्ट है, और फ्लैमिंगो की तरह एक पैर में आपको खड़ा होना है. कोऑर्डिनेशन टेस्ट है, प्लेट टैपिंग टेस्ट है, अभी हम देखेंगे हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन के लिए कैसे होगा. 5 to 18 years के लिए, so we have 6 tests. BMI is common. Speed is 50 meters. Standing start है, तो उसमें आपको बेंड नहीं होना है, स्टैंडिंग स्टार्ट है. Endurance is 600 meter run या तो walk, whatever best a child can do. It can be mix of run and walk also. Flexibility is sit on each box टेस्ट में. Core strength is partial curl. 30 seconds के लिए आप कितने partial curls कर पा रहे हो. And muscular endurance is push up for boys and modified push up for girls. तो ये है जो क्लास 4 to 12 के लिए. So now we'll come to the Khelo India battery of test, age 5 to 8 years and class 1, 2 and 3. So I would request Surya Prakash sir to take over from me and do the thing. Sir, you can take it over from me, otherwise I can unshare. Surya sir.
Thank you, Sujit sir.
You will take over the screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Please share, it will automatically.
Thank you, Sujit sir, for wonderfully explaining registration of schools, registration of PE teachers, upload of student data, and the downloading of ID cards, promotion of students, and the activation of visitors. And this is the important part of Khelo India Fitness Assessor app and the testing. Very, very important for that one, that to motivate the students. Conduct of test is very, very important for them. Now coming to the battery of test, 5 to 8 years, class 1 to 3. We are having 3 important tests we are having. And I mean, in the particular category, the first one is BMI. And BMI, everybody knows that one. So body mass index. And this test is conducted to find out the body composition and to find out the distribution of fat and muscles in the body. And this video is wonderfully prepared and self-explanatory. Wherever it is required, I will intervene and tell to you.
To calculate the body mass index, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select BMI.
So to conduct the test, you should already have downloaded in your mobile Khelo India Fitness app. That app should be open. When you open the app is ready. Take test option will be there. From take test options, immediately you press on that one, you will get this particular screen there. In this one, a BMI is there. On the BMI, if you click,
the app is now ready to calculate the body mass index.
And once if you click on the BMI, and this screen will appear for you. Here you may see here, and height in centimeters, weight in kgs is here. And this screen is ready for it. Now you are ready for conducting the test.
Body mass index or BMI is used to measure the body composition, which refers primarily to the distribution of muscles and fat in the body. Body size such as height, length and girths are also grouped under this component. BMI is calculated by taking a person's weight and dividing by their height squared.
So how we will be calculating this BMI is, there are 2 measurements is taken already, we told, and one is weight, another is height. How it will be the means weight by height square. And for taking the height, we require one equipment. That equipment is called stadiometer. If stadiometer is not available, then you can paste a tape on the wall and we can take the height of the individual.
To measure the height correctly, a stadiometer is required. If a stadiometer is not there, it could be done against a wall as well with measuring tape pasted on it. It should be done on a hard flat surface. The participant should remove shoes, bulky clothing, hair ornaments and unbraid hair that could interfere with the measurement.
And it's one important aspect you should keep in your mind. And whenever you are conducting the test, it should be conducted on flat surface. It should be there. There should not be any bulky clothing, and shoes should be removed. Shoes and socks should be removed. And otherwise, while taking the height, if you're having shoes, and then the correct measurements will not be there. And you should stand on a flat feet, and back should touch the wall or a stadiometer. Arms should be side at shoulder level and look straight.
Participants should stand with feet flat, together and back against the wall. Legs should be straight, arms at side and shoulders level. The participant should look straight ahead and the line of sight should be parallel to the floor. The height should be recorded in centimeter. The reading of the height should be typed in at the designated place on the screen.
It is important to remember that one. The height, the calculation part when you are going to take here, it is only in centimeters, not in feet. Normally in the table you'll be having feet, but it should measure in centimeters only. And for taking the weight, it should be same thing should be followed. There should not be any bulky clothing, shoes should be removed, and the weighing electronic weighing machine may be used for it. It should be kept on a flat surface.
To measure the weight accurately, a digital scale should be used. The scale should be placed on firm flooring rather than a carpeted floor. The participant should remove shoes and heavy clothing. The participant should stand with both feet in the center of the scale. The weight should be recorded in kilogram and gram.
And this is also important. The thing is, why we are using electronic weighing machine is perfect in kilograms and grams should be taken. The proper measurements can be taken from that one. And once again, I am repeating, it should flat surface should be there, shoe should be removed for that one.
To the nearest decimal. The reading of the weight should be typed in at the designated place on the screen.
And this is important, that one. The weight should be in designated, height should be typed in designated place, and weight should be typed in designated place. And this is after completing this one, the most important thing is you should scan the identity card of because already the Swiss has clearly told that one printing of ID cards. And the scan, there is no need of typing any name here. And if you scan the identity card, the QR code automatically student's name will appear here.
Once both the readings are entered in the app, scan the ID card of the participant by tapping on the scan option. Once the age and gender of the participant is updated,
and once
save the record by
ID
tapping.
card, immediately the name of the participant will appear. You cross check it with the name, and immediately then you can save the button. You can press the save button. Thus, the BMI score is entered in the app.
Tapping on the save option. This completes the process to calculate the body mass index or BMI.
And after taking BMI, second test will be flamingo balance test. And this flamingo, so next test will be plate tapping test. And this plate tapping test is to measure the coordination of the and the high hand coordination will be measured from this one.
To conduct the plate tapping test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option.
And every time whenever you want to conduct the test, you should open the Khelo India Fitness app, and immediately when your app is functioning, then Take Test option will be there. Take Test option, if you press this screen, various test options will be available. Basing on this one, later we have to going to test the coordination. If you press the coordination test,
From various test options, select coordination and then tap on the plate tapping option. The app is now ready for the plate tapping test.
Plate tapping test, the screen will available like this. Here, one most important thing is to keep in your mind means you no need of typing anything here. Once if you start the timer, automatically scroll will be recording on it.
The plate tapping test measures upper body reaction time and hand-eye quickness and coordination. It also assesses the speed and the coordination of limb movement. One table, two yellow discs of 20 cm diameter and one rectangular sheet of 30 by 20.
Will measure the reaction time and high hand coordination, and the speed and coordination of upper limbs will be done through the test. And for this, we require a few equipments is required. An adjustable table one, and two yellow discs and one rectangular disc. And this one will be, yellow disc will be 20 centimeters and rectangular will be 20 by 30 centimeters. And this should be, the distance between the two discs will be 60 centimeters.
60 centimeter size are needed to perform this test. The table height should be adjusted so that the subject is standing comfortably in front of the discs. The two yellow discs are placed with their centers 60 centimeter apart on the table.
Because we are conducting for class 1 to 3, the height of the children we keep in your mind that the table should be adjusted as per the height of the children. And another thing, simply as I already told, two yellow discs, they should be placed in between 30 centimeters from the center of the rectangular disc. 60 centimeters diameter will be there.
The rectangle is placed equidistant from both the discs. The participant is encouraged to stand in a balanced posture. The non-preferred hand is placed on the rectangle. The subject moves the preferred hand back and forth between the discs over the hand in the middle as quickly as possible.
And here the participants will stand in a balanced posture and you will start tapping from back and forth or left to right. This is the way you will be tapping, and this tapping will continue for 25 cycles or 50 taps, whatever we can say. First tapping from this side to this side, one cycle, again from here to here, second cycle, like that, 25 cycles. The time taken is measured in this particular test.
Once the participant starts this test, the start timer option should be tapped on the screen.
One or two practices is the participant has done, and immediately start timer should be tapped. Immediately the test starts there, and you have to count clearly 25 cycles. You have to count.
This action is repeated for 25 full cycles. The total time taken to complete 25 full cycles is recorded.
And once the 25 cycles is completed, immediately you should stop the timer. And then once you stop the timer, automatically the time taken to complete 25 cycles is appeared here. Immediately the next step is scan the ID card and judge the same person is there, and immediately save, and thus the test will complete.
As the participant completes 25 full cycles of tapping, stop timer option should be tapped on the screen. The clock on the screen shows the time taken by the participant to complete 25 full cycles of plate tapping. To record the data, first scan the ID card of the student and then tap on the save option. This completes the plate tapping test.
The second test, plate tapping test, and the third test is flamingo balance test.
Conduct the Flamingo Balance Test. First, open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options.
Remember always, if you Khelo India Fitness app once open, Take Test option, say immediately, if you press it, this very test with options will be available here. And from this one, you can easily judge, you have to go press on balance. And for this test, we require two important items you require from that one is some small beam or a brick should be there, because it's measuring the balance of the individual.
Select balance and then tap on the Flamingo Balance Test option. The app is now ready for the Flamingo Balance Test.
If you press on that particular balance test, Flamingo Balance, this screen will appear like this. Here also we have to start timer, and then only test will start.
The Flamingo Balance Test measures the ability to balance successfully on a single leg. Test assesses the strength of the leg.
Of the participant, it is like looks like a flamingo. It assesses the strength of the leg, pelvic, and trunk muscle, as well as a static balance we are going to measure here.
Pelvic and trunk muscles, as well as static balance. While balancing on the preferred leg, the free leg is fixed at the knee and the foot of this leg held close to the buttocks, standing just like a flamingo.
The preferred leg stands on a break, another leg will be bent, and it should be held with non-preferred leg there, and it should be leg should be very, very close to the buttocks there, and then he should be able to balance. For standing on this balance, he can take the help of a tester, and the examiner he can help him to retain this particular position. And
The test should be done on a non-slippery even surface by standing on a beam or a brick. The athlete keeps balance by holding the instructor's hand if required. The timer is started as the instructor lets go. To start the timer on the app, Start Timer should be tapped.
Examiner sees that when the participants is able to balance, then start timer should be tapped there. If he falls or regains and he lost the balance, immediately he should pause the timer. And how many times he is going to fall, and that will be recorded in this one. And suppose if he falls 15 falls in 30 seconds, the test will be terminated. Just watch.
The timer is stopped each time the athlete loses balance, either by falling off the beam or letting go the foot behind being held. To do that, pause timer should be tapped on the app each time the participant loses balance. Start the timer again when the participant is in the position.
Falls down, and immediately we'll put the pause timer. Already the count will appear there. And once he regains the balance, again he should start the timer.
If there are more than 15 falls in first 30 seconds, the test is terminated.
This is important. 15 falls are there in first 30 seconds. Automatically the test will be terminated.
The number of falls or loss of balance in 60 seconds of balancing is counted and recorded. The timer automatically stops at the 60 seconds mark.
After 60 seconds, automatically the timer will stop. Number of falls is recorded here. Then what is the best score? If you imagine, the best score is 0. If he is not at all falling, means the best score is 0 here.
The ID card of the participant is scanned by tapping on the scan option. Once the participant details are updated, the data is saved by tapping on.
You have to scan the ID card of the participant, and the name of the student will appear here. And once you satisfy the name and cross-check the name of the particular student, automatically save the data, and thus the score will be feeded in the app.
On the save option, this completes the Flamingo balance test.
Shall we continue?
Please continue. Please continue. We have time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have completed for age group, for primary level class 1 to 3 we have completed, and next we are having the next test is age group 9 to 18 years, and this is for class 4 to 12. In this one already BMI we have completed here, and BMI already we have seen in previous slide. So it is simple, that one we are taking height and weight, and feeding in the app, automatically the BMI will be calculated by the app. The second test is sit and reach test, and it's
Conduct the sit and reach test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options,
even for this category also, immediately Khelo India Fitness app should be open. Takes test option, if you press it, automatically it will be appearing here. And what we are going to measure for the sit and reach test is we are measuring the flexibility. It measures the flexibility of lower back and hamstring muscles. Press on flexibility.
select flexibility and then tap on the sit and reach option. The app is now ready for the sit and reach test.
And here the screen will be appearing like this. If you press on sit and reach test, Here we are having two readings we have to take. One is initial reading and another is final reading. And be careful when you are feeding that one, whether in which area, because centimeters means centimeters only and millimeters means millimeters only. You have to feed it.
The sit and reach test is a common measure of flexibility. It specifically measures the flexibility of the lower back and hamstring muscles. A sit and reach box is required to perform this test. The sit and reach box should be 12 by 12 inches on side.
And for this conduct of this particular test, we require one small box. Just see the dimensions of the box and 12 into 12 inches side. That is a side measure 12 inches into 12 inches and 12 into 10 inches front and back. The front and the back side there will be 12 into 10 inches. On the top it will be 12 into 21 inches. And this is a measurement of the particular box. On the top we will be pasting a one small tape measurement tape there.
12 by 10 inches on front and back and 12 by 21 inches on top. The top panel should be inscribed with centimeter and millimeter gradations. The test should be performed on clean cushioned surface or gym mat. Shoes should be removed before performing this.
And this is important aspect is where the participant has to sit in the clean cushion surface or on a gymnastic mat. This box should be kept and this should be conducted. And to see the feet, it should be footed towards the box there. It should be clearly, it should be kept there. And there should not be any bend between the knees here.
Test. This test involves sitting on the floor with legs stretched out straight ahead. The soles of the feet are placed flat against the sit and reach box. Both knees should be locked and pressed flat to the floor. With the palms facing downwards and the hands on top of each other, the subject.
To conduct the test, we will be taking one or two practice of the participant. Here there should be hand should be in a fish-shaped position. See this particular position, fish-shaped position. Now we will be taking initial reading. Just watch it.
Subject reaches forward along the measuring line as far as possible. Firstly, the initial reach in the normal position is recorded.
Once the participant is ready, the initial reading position will be taken that one, and immediately the initial reading position should be recorded in the app.
To do that, the score is calculated to nearest centimeter and put it in the designated place in the screen. After some practice teaches, the subject reaches forward as far as possible and holds the.
It is important that one after initial reading is taken, immediately the subject will be bending forward and reach to the maximum and he retain a particular position for 2 seconds. And the sole of the foot should be near the box and there should not be any knee bend there. And participants will encourage to bend from the back. Automatically, the hands will reach the last position. He should retain for at least minimum of 2 seconds.
That position for at least 2 seconds while the distance is recorded. To record the final position, the score is calculated to nearest centimeter and put it in the designated place. The difference between the initial position.
This is the important thing is once you feed in final position also, and automatically the net score, all the subtracted score already, the net score will be appear clearly on this one. Immediately after this feeding this one, you have to scan and the identity card and the save button should be pressed there.
And the final position of the distance reached by the hand is displayed as net score in the screen. The ID card of the participant is scanned next and then the data is saved by tapping on the save option. This completes the sit and reach test.
Now the next test is 50 meters dash. Everybody knows that one. What is the purpose of conducting 50-meter dash? Here we will be measuring the speed of the individual and the time taken to complete 50 meters is measured here. And for this purpose,
to conduct the 50-meter dash test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select the speed and then tap on the 50-meter dash option. Depending on
the same procedure, Khelo India Fitness Test app open karo, then immediately take this options mein press karo, immediately various test options will be available for you. And from that one, you press on speed, immediately the screen will appear like this. And the more important feature of this particular app, I want to say that one, at a time, maximum 8 members can be measured, can be taken, time can be taken here. And see here, the number of lanes is nothing but number of.
On the number of participants, choose same number of lanes on the screen. The app is now ready for the 50-meter dash test.
And this is the way you should not forget the number of participants is taken 5. So 5 should be pressed. Now app is ready for to conduct the test.
The aim of 50-meter dash is to determine the acceleration and the speed of the participant. The test involves running a single sprint over 50 meters. Start from a stationary standing position.
And so why we are conducting speed of the individual and acceleration of the individual will be measured. And we should encourage the participants to run as fast as possible. And this is a single sprint. And there will be standing start position will be given here. And we can conduct wherever we are having any track or any 50 meters place is there, open place, we can ask them to stand up on a line. One leg should be forward, one leg should be back. This is the standing start position.
1 foot in front of the other. The front foot must be behind the starting line. Participants are encouraged to not slow down before crossing the finish line. Once the participants are ready and motionless, the instructor gives the cue to start. There is no need to manually start the timer. The app is designed in such a way that the timer starts automatically at the sound of the Fox 40 whistle.
And this important thing is we should advise the participant, motivate the participants to run as fast as possible. And normally the tendency of the children is by seeing the finishing line, they may stop. They should not stop there. We will ask them to run through it. And another important aspect of this particular app is it is enabled with Fox 40 whistle. There's no need of starting any timer here. And if you blow the Fox 40 whistle, automatically the app will start.
Participants should be encouraged to practice running with emphasis placed on the concept of pace. Time taken to complete the 50-meter dash for each of the participants is recorded.
Here, important thing is all the participants are running there. And whenever each participant crosses the finishing line, immediately you should press on split timer. And how many participants are there? There are 5 participants. So you should split timer, you should press on 5 times we have to press on split timers.
To record the timing for each of the participants, tap split timer every time a participant crosses the finish line. The screen shows the timing of participants in the order they finished the race. To record individual timings, tap the scan option and then scan the ID card of the participant. Make sure the ID card is scanned in the same order.
It is important after finishing up, the participants should be making a line in order of the finish. And the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth like that. Immediately we can scan each ID card automatically. The name of the individual appears here. The first one, Aditya Kumar, next Aronski is Singh. And third position, again, we have to scan the identity cards in the same order. The names will appear there. Immediately after the names comes, we can save it.
In which they finished the race. Once we have scanned the ID card of all the participants, save the data to complete the 50-meter dash test.
Here, one important thing is when you are conducting the test, take the help of 1, 2, or 3 members to conduct test perfectly. And initially, what we advise is you should have the practice of conducting the particular app. App to practice, but you can immediately start with 2 or 3 children. Later, you can go for more number there. And one starter, one finisher should be there to assist you to conduct the particular test. The next test is 600 meters run walk test. And it measures the cardiovascular endurance of the individual. And
To conduct the 50-meter dash test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select the speed and then tap on the 50-meter dash option. conduct the 600-meter run test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select Cardiovascular Endurance and then tap on the 600-meter run option. Depending on the number of participants, choose same number of lanes on the screen. The app is now ready for the 600-meter run test.
The same procedure we have to follow like a 50-meter test. The same for 600 meters also same procedure will be followed. First open the app, Khelo India Fitness Assessor app open, and then take test option, various test options, select cardiovascular endurance. Immediately the screen will appear like this. And basing on number of participants, we have to select number of lanes.
The aim of 600-meter run is to measure the cardiovascular fitness and endurance. The test involves running a single sprint over 600 meters.
And normally for this one we'll be conducting on a standard track, 200 meters or 400 meters track. We'll be conducting this particular thing. And if it is 200, 3 rounds, and 400, it is a 1.5 round. And for this one is also standing position. Our curve start we can give. There is a standing position and they will be there. One leg will be forward, one leg will be back. Once the participants are ready, the same is also enabled with Fox 40 whistle. If you blow the whistle, automatically the app starts.
Participants should start from a stationary standing position with one foot in front of the other. The front foot must be behind the starting line. Participants are instructed to run 600 meters in the fastest possible pace. Once the participants are ready and motionless, the instructor gives the cue to start. There is no need to manually start the timer. The app is designed in such a way that the timer starts automatically at the sound of the Fox 40 whistle. Participants should be encouraged to practice running with emphasis placed on the concept of pace.
And this is the important thing is we should encourage the participants on emphasis of the pace. They should run there. Automatically once it is a app is Fox 40 whistle blow, automatically app will start functioning there. When they are going to finish, whenever they are going to finish, for each participants, you should press on split timer. Automatically split timer, they are having 5 participants, 5 times you have to press on split timer.
Results are usually better if the participant can maintain constant pace during most of the run and use a strong closing effort. Time taken to complete the 600-meter run for each of the participants is recorded.
There is a time taken to complete 600 meters is taken here. And the important thing is after the 5 participants completes, they should make them stand in a proper line here. And each participant's ID card should be scanned. Once the scan is scanned, automatically the name of the participants will be appearing there. Then you can save the.
To record the timing for each of the participants, tap split timer every time a participant crosses the finish line. The screen shows the timing of participants in the order they finished the race. To record individual timing, tap the scan option and then scan the ID card of the participant. Make sure the ID card is scanned in the same order in which they finished the race.
That is very important for you. In which order the participants has finished, and the same order the ID card should be scanned there. But this also you should take 2 or 3 people help to conduct the particular test.
Once we have scanned the ID card of all the participants, save the data to complete the 600-meter run test.
Then the next test is push-up for boys and modified push-up for the girls.
To conduct the push-up test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select Strength.
And this is very important thing here is, and we are going to measure push-ups means we are going to measure muscle endurance and strength of upper body, strength endurance of upper body we are going to send. And here we are going to, in this particular strength, 2 tests will be there. Open Khelo India Fitness app, Take Test option, and then you can go for strength. In strength, you will be having 2 tests.
and then tap on the push-up option.
Yeah, this way, because partial curl up and push-ups is there, you have to press on push-ups.
The app is now ready for the push-up test. The push-up fitness test measures upper body strength, endurance and trunk.
Already I told the test measures upper body strength, endurance and trunk stability. This is the perfect position of starting position of the push-up test. And completely slant on the toes and the hands and the head, they should be in a perfect position.
Stability. A flat, clean cushion surface or a gym mat is required to perform this test. The standard push-up begins with the hands and toes touching the floor. The body and legs should be in a straight line.
This is a very important thing is the body legs should be in a straight line, and once they reaches there perfectly to the ground, we have to count it. And whenever the hands are taking the perfect shape, hand should be shoulder width. This should be shoulder width, hand should be there, and at elbows 90 degrees should be formed. The hand should be very close to the body.
Feet slightly apart, the arms at shoulder width apart, extended and at a right angle to the body. Keeping the back and knees straight, the subject lowers the body.
This is the position when complete grip is taken, and this is the position. Here 90 degrees should be formed, and elbow should be very close to the body.
To a predetermined point to touch some other object or until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows. Then returns back to the starting position with the arms extended. When the participant is ready, the start timer option is tapped on the screen and the participant starts the push-ups.
When the participant is ready, we have to press on the timer, automatically starts. The test continues until exhaustion and no more rhythm is there. There is no time limit is there. And correctly performed push-ups are counted.
The action is repeated and the test continues until exhaustion or until they can do no more in rhythm. The number of correctly completed push-ups is recorded. For girls, the push-up technique is slightly modified with both the knees resting on the ground. Apart from this, everything else.
For girls, the knees will be touching the ground and legs are interlocked. The remaining everything is the same. Elbow should be close to the body, and there should be 90 degrees at the elbow, and elbow should be very close to the body.
Else remains the same for girls as well. Once the participant is exhausted, tap the stop timer option and type in the number of correctly completed push-ups.
In this particular test, what we have to do, we have to start and we have to stop the timer. And once you stop the timer, the number of counts, number of correctly performed push-ups should be typed in this one. Immediately scan the ID card and the name will appear, and then you save the score.
In the designated place on the screen, scan the ID card of the participant and then save the record by tapping on the save option. This completes the push-up test.
And then in this one, we are coming to the last test, that is partial curl-up test. And this 30 seconds partial curl-up test, it measures the core strength of the body.
To conduct the partial curl-up test, first open the Khelo India Fitness Assessor app. Once the app is on, select the Take Test option. From various test options, select Strength and then tap on the.
Here is the same way. Once you open the app and strength, immediately you will be having two tests. Already push-ups we have seen, and the partial curl-up 30-second test, you should press on it. Here two icons are there. And if you see these two icons, the videos will be played for you. And this test descriptions will be given for you if you open the app.
The partial curl-up option. The app is now ready for the partial curl-up test. The partial curl-up test measures abdominal muscular strength and endurance of the abdominals and hip flexors, which is important in back support and core stability. A flat, clean cushioned surface, two parallel strips 6 inches part is required to
The
conduct
partial cup test measures abdominal muscular strength, core stability, and hip flexors and everything. It will be steady. And for this one gymnastic mat is required and 2 strips is required, 6 inches apart. And the participants has to lie down, and the hand should be touching on this line there.
this test. The subject lies on a cushioned flat clean surface with knees flexed, usually at 90 degrees, with hands straight on the sides with palms facing downwards. It should be closer to the ground and parallel to the body. The subject raises the trunk in a smooth motion, keeping the arms in position, curling up the desired amount at least 6 inches above ground. The trunk is lowered back to the floor.
And this is very important that when one curl up is counted, when participants lifts his trunk up to 6 inches above the ground level and slides his hand up to the second line. And if it touches the second line, then only we should count 1. And this, as participants, number of curls you're able to do in 36 seconds is counted here.
So that the shoulder blades or upper back touches the floor. Once the participant is ready and is in position to take the test, the start timer option should be tapped. Participant is encouraged to keep normal breathing rate.
And while participant is performing that, participant is encouraged to keep normal breathing rate. Once we start the timer and we ask the encourage the participants to maximum curl-ups.
Results are better if the participant can maintain constant pace during the activity. Maximum number of sit-ups in 30 seconds is recorded. The timer automatically stops at 30 seconds mark. The number of sit-ups is recorded.
In push-ups, we are going to stop the timer. Here, automatically timer stops. Immediately, the number of correctly performed partial curl-ups are entered in this count. Immediately scan the ID card and save it.
At the designated place. The ID card of the participant is scanned and the data is saved by tapping on the save option. This completes the partial curl-up test.
And the most important thing is we have covered and all this test, how it is performed. Beautifully designed videos were there available for you. And you can see that one, you can learn from that one. Here we require the maximum practice of conducting the test so that less error will be there. And one more important thing is importance of assessment done in the right way. Here what we have to do is, now it is so easy. Earlier we used to take a pen, paper, stopwatches and everything, we used to do it. Now the app beautifully we can do it. Assessment right way mein karte samay, you should keep in 4 or 5 important points. Child's report card for purpose of collecting the current data. Wrong data will reflect on report card of a child. So make sure data entry is very correct. It is very, very important. Normally, sometimes some of you made pen and paper like a note karke baad mein usme enter karne ke liye koshish karta hai. So wrong data should not be there. And centimeters means centimeter place mein karna hai. Meters means meter place mein karna hai. The number of scores. So that's why well versed with the. You should have a practice of the particular app. And next one is talent identification. It is very, very important thing is. And Khelo India app में क्या होता है? इस app में आपको interface में आपको बच्चों का data आप देख सकते हो, and SAI people also can directly see that one. And raw talent identification के लिए, if you any wrong data is entered, deserving candidate may not be getting, the talented athletes may be denied the opportunity of that one. So correct data should be entered in the app. And use app to record is very, very important thing is because it's so simple of conducting all the tests. A simple mobile, we can feed everything data in everything. So only app should be used. You should not conduct the test later, and at later part you should not enter the data. And all tests should be conducted through the app only. And correct data will lead to creation of national benchmarks. If correct data is there, a good benchmarks will be prepared. And it will be a motivation for all of us. Unusual cases. What will happen? We'll see that one. Height cannot reduce over a time or a sudden increase. If you see some data, because of wrong entry of the data, suppose a person is 165 centimeters now. And when the second test in the same year, second test and next year, if you conducted, it may not reduce to 155. It may increase. It may increase, but it will not be reduced. Test results cannot be much higher than world record. Sometimes it so happens that one, The records, whichever you are going to give, 50 meters is in 3 seconds or 4 seconds, they cannot be able to do it. So whenever you are entering the records, you should be very, very clearly. And tests will not drastically change in a 6 months period. And suppose a athlete, when you are going to perform a test in the first phase, and he is having 9 seconds or 10 seconds and 50 meters, it may not be drastically reduced to 5 or 6. This is very, very, very important thing we should keep in your mind. And Sujit, with 2 minutes, and this is a wrong mute. Sujit, mute. And some.
Okay. Yeah. I'm saying let's try and wrap it up because almost 12.
Okay. So some wrong data I have shown to you here. These are some
Or we
red
can do it tomorrow.
areas.
Tomorrow we can spend time on this.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So let's spend time tomorrow.
Okay.
You can unshare it.
I will do it.
So you can just unshare it. That's it. Screen con share kar lijye. Yeah. So thank you so much, Surya sir. I think Sanjeev sir, there are some questions. I think so. You want me to take them directly, or you will ask?
Sir, I will ask few questions, and whatever you can say afterwards, you can. Thank you, sir. So beautiful explanation about this battery test, which is most needed thing. Actually, this sort of test is not done by any institutions. Locally, when we see, they are not doing it because there is no compulsion also for them. So that is one reason whatever they want, they will do it on their whims and fancies. But here some guidance is given for them. So that may help a lot for them. So few questions are there. Sir, some schools, especially, they don't have this websites. Whether it is mandatory? A question is from Chamal Singh.
Yeah. So the website is not mandatory. So we will. So in case if you have a website, you add it. Otherwise, the website is not mandatory.
Sir, sometimes concerned to this transfer, teacher will be transferred from one place to another place, even a headmaster also. So actually what they will do, even the headmaster register the phone number, everything. When a transfer takes place, whether that can be changed to a physical education teacher account, or it will carry it.
That's a very good question. I think so there are 3 kinds of transfer. Transfer of a student, transfer of a principal, transfer as in quitting, right? Transfer. And the third is a PE teacher. So I'll give you all the 3 instances. जब एक principal छोड़ के जाता है school, so basically you have to retrieve the school ID, you need 4 things. One is so basically when we are saying that when you are creating the school profile, please try and put an email address and a phone number which is permanent. Okay, so you are creating a school profile. So when you are creating a school profile, try and make something which is more permanent. Just email address and the phone number should belong to the school. See something as an example. So let us say it is called Kendriya Vidyalaya RK Puram. So ideally it should be contact us at Kendriya Vidyalaya RK Puram whatever. So the email address that you're putting for a school or the phone number that you're putting for a school, please keep it permanent, because आपको admission करना है, बहुत कुछ करने होते हैं with that one email address. Try and use a permanent email address and a phone number. But in case you are not using the permanent, see on the school creation page there are 2 blocks. One is a website, the phone number and the email address of the school, and below that it says details of the principal. So keep the details of a principal separate from the school. In the school detail, put the email address and phone number which is permanent. But just in case you have put a email address and a phone number which is belongs to the principal or some particular person, and the person has left the school, go ahead and edit the profile. You can edit the profile of the school and change the phone number and the email address, but try and keep them more permanent. Second example is of a PE teacher. If a PE teacher is leaving a school, so what should the principal do? So let us take an example that someone is in Kendriya Vidyalaya RK Puram, has gone to Kendriya Vidyalaya Golconda. So I'm giving an example, or has moved to DPS or any other school. So the principal of school 1, where the PE teacher has left the school, go to manage assessor and deactivate that PE teacher. Okay, so that PE teacher will get deactivated in school 1. In school 2, wherever the PE teacher goes, he goes to the principal, says that, madam or sir, whatever it is, so ma'am, please activate me in school number 2. So it is very simple. It is like changing a job. You are in company 1, so there you get activated, and whenever you leave that, you get deactivated. When you move to the second organization only activates you. Just go search for the assessor ID of the PE teacher and just activate it. It's very simple. So for a PE teacher, joining and leaving a school is very simple. Principal 1 deactivates, principal 2 activates. It's very simple. Your profile is your own profile. If you are a PE teacher and you have any change in terms of email address or the phone number, go to your assessor app, edit your profile, and you can change the profile. Okay. Hope I have answered the question. Is it clear, Sanjeev sir? I mean, just for this thing. For students, we have just explained. Yes.
Sir, one point here arises when a student is transferred from one school to another school, whether a teacher has to delete or itself it will be transferred.
Surya sir, you want to answer or otherwise?
Okay, sir, already rightly explained now clearly. One student to another school means we should not transfer. We should not delete. Any time in any student transfer, we should not delete. Just put the transfer button, because the data will be not be available in your account. It will be in fitness Khelo India app account.
Question is from Praveen. He asks whether this individual clubs or individual coaches or parents can they register in this portal?
Yes. See, this is for the schools. This is not for the sports academies. Okay. But if there is a sports academy, they can do a workaround. I'll tell you what is a workaround. Workaround is that you download the parent app and you do the assessment of children. So that's a workaround, but it's not meant for sports academies. It is meant for schools. Okay. So don't quote me, delete my sentence. Yeah.
So one more question is there. Anonymous it is, like they say that regarding 600-meter test, some schools they may not have this infrastructure. So what will be the suggestion for this?
Surya sir.
Sir, where there is a will, there is a wish. What we say is, it's a beautifully designed program. So lack of ground should not deny the student to be tested. So what we should see, if you are having a compound wall, and measure it, and see around the compound wall they can conduct it, and we can measure. Suppose if you are having a 50 meters stretch, and you should able to design in such a way that one student should be data may not be accurate, but the student should be given a chance to be tested, and they should know the limit. And ground, suppose any assembly ground is there, and surrounding of the buildings is there, and on a particular Sunday or something on road is there, you take the help of the parents, take help of the teachers, and you can conduct particular tests there. And it should be the will of the PETs, will of the management, and a beautifully designed program. I request all of them to take some alternative measures and see that one. Lack of ground is not going to stop anything in India.
Sir, question is from Palni Deepak sir and Poonam Shah. They say that why during this push-ups, especially for girls, legs are entangled. So a reason they are asking why it is. All tests are very similar, but only in this push-up.
See, normally, shall I, Sujit?
Yes, please.
And so when normally in push-ups for girls, knees are touching the ground. If legs are not interlocked, they may be normally when they are doing push-ups, knee will be moving aside. There is the balance will not be proper. And when legs are interlocked, what will happen? Knee will be in a stationary position, like hands, good support will be there. That's why we ask for interlocking of the legs.
Yeah, see, actually the center of gravity of girls are also different from men. So this is a standard test for modified push-up. Is a very standard test. It is not entangled. That is a right posture for a modified push-up. So it is the push-up for men is, so it's easier for girls to do a modified push-ups, when you actually do it on your knees and you keep your feet locked. So then then that is a right posture, and then the center of gravity is more balanced for women also. So that is why. So the tests are different. So the outcome is the same, right? So as long as the outcome is the same, it's fine. It's easier to do it that way.
One more question concerned to this specially disabled students, whether any option is there for them in this test, or any alternatives are there, because even they will be the part of schools. So any
Yes, see, differently abled RPWD 2016 has 21 different categories of disabilities. So currently in the Khelo India app, this is for normally able children, but specially able children also, differently able children, they may also have, problems in different this thing. So whatever tests that they can do, they can do. I mean, see, the idea is to finish. The idea is not to say this is not a competition, right? This is definitely not a competition. This is a competition against yourself. So there are two kinds of report card that will show you tomorrow. One is me against myself. The other one is with the entire spectrum. So me versus myself is a report card where I'm improving over last this thing. You can always give it to any child, right? If I'm able to do, let's say, flamingo balance, plate tapping test. If the child is able to do whatever, and next time they are able to improve, that is good enough. So whatever a child can do, let them do it. I remember that in a school, there was a child which actually took many minutes to complete the 50-meter this thing. It's about cheering up that child, make that child included in the program. Every child counts. Whatever the child can do, let him do it. Whatever the child cannot do, don't do that. But include everyone as much as possible. There will be a different battery of tests later. Maybe next year there will be a different battery of tests for differently able children. Kendriya Vidyalaya is trying to do it this year. So we have KVs have actually we have a list of thousands of children who have. So we have categorized the children right now. When we launch it in the next year, so we will have for Swasth Bachche Swasth Bharat special battery of tests for differently able children. So I think that will become a template for Khelo India. Surya sir.
To add this one, testing and learning both simultaneously will happen here. And the children will undergo test and they will learn for the second term automatically. So it's a motivation for even differently able children also. Whatever the test they are able to do, let them do it, sir. Let them participate and let them have an opportunity for them to expose themselves. So it will build a lot of self-confidence in them. So we should not deprive them. If they are willing to encourage them to come and participate with normal children. It's a very, very beautiful program. Let them also have a chance to participate.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. These are the few questions from our participant side, sir. So, still,
yeah. I guess there are some. There's one question that someone had actually asked. Nitin Jaiswal is asking. So I took all battery of tests of my students under HPE Khelo India since last this year. See, actually, just to give you an answer to HPE. HPE has some additional tests apart from Khelo India test. So I think alternate wall. There is one test. Then there is something called. So I don't remember. There are about 4 tests which are additional tests beyond Khelo India. So you can go ahead and do your Khelo India test. If there are some additional tests, you can actually do it as part of HPE. So anyway, Khelo India is much easier set of tests. And the new circular which will come, CBSE will ensure that it is only Khelo India battery of tests maybe next year. So yeah, but you are free to do more tests. That's fine.
so one more question is arised here for these schools, whether one need to certificates, whether that will be needed and a recognition from Fit India movements or Khelo India movements, or a teacher can give his school certificates for them by mentioning.
इसमें 2-3 सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं. एक तो सर्टिफिकेट हो गया जैसे अभी हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इन दिस वेबिनार में जब हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, एक तो सर्टिफिकेट आपको LNCP से मिलेगा, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन. सेकंड इज व्हेन यू अपलोड द स्टूडेंट डेटा, देन द सर्टिफिकेट फॉर मीटिंग दैट माइलस्टोन कि आपने स्टूडेंट का डेटा अपलोड कर दिया, यू गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट. Third is once you have finished assessment, there'll be a certificate available on the portal which says that you have completed the assessment. So these are different levels of motivation for you. Okay, and the fourth level of motivation is अगर आपके school में कोई talent है, Khelo India will give you an opportunity for them to appear in the trials. Like in case of Kendriya Vidyalayas, 250 students actually appeared for the trials, and I think 93 or 94 students have got admission into sports schools, right? So this is based on the Swasth Bachche Swasth Bharat program. Similarly, for Khelo India, we had 780 students last year whom we had identified out of 22 lakhs. But because of COVID-19, the next set of activities have not happened. So we hope that when the school reopens, we will have those set of activities for those.
After the assessment of these tests, any target is kept for the students to reach what level they have to reach?
See, there are 7 levels of fitness that we are talking about, level 1 to level 7. Level 7 is 90 percentile, level 6 is 80 percentile, level 5 is 70 percentile, level 4 is 60 percentile, then 40, 20 and below 20. So whatever is the level of fitness, we say whatever is level of fitness, give it a plus. Try and go to the next level. These are about very micro targets, basically saying that if I'm able to do 50 meters in 8 seconds, my target would be that next time I should be able to do it in 7.76 seconds or whatever. These are what small goals. It's not major goals that you have to see. You cannot become from level 4 to level 7, but from level 4 you can become level 5, level 5 to 6, level 6 to 7. Small goals instead of bigger goals. So that's what is very important.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, any questions from participants still?
No, I think broadly all these are done.
Please
People are saying that this year we have got unemployed. We want to share. Teachers are not ready to do this thing. See, all that I'm saying is use this as an opportunity. There are a lot of PE teachers who may not be having, so must have got unemployed. But use this as an opportunity to upgrade yourself, whether it is for the curriculum or for assessment. So whenever you are ready next year, so you have skills with you, your certificates with you, so you can actually go back to the school and say that yes, we are ready to do this. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So in this session, you have given a good framework for our teachers, how a test should be conducted, how those tests can be utilized. And you have said concern with that apps also, how to utilize those things. So wonderful through those videos. It was so brief. Every point, minute points are explained in that. So I felt very happy that I hope that even our participants are very thorough with these apps also. Now they will utilize these apps and they will register themselves in this portal, and definitely India will be a fit through this process. Sir, on this occasion, it's a valuable presentation by Sujit Panigrahi sir, as well as Surya Prakash sir. I'm very thankful for your presence. So on behalf of our Ministry Youth Affairs and Sports, Khelo India, Sai LNCP, and on behalf of our respected Principal Dr. G. Kishore sir, I thank you for your valuable lecture on this. Even our principal is a very keen observer. Every time he observes every presentation, he will not leave one also. So I hope principal sir is not available online here. So maybe he may have some technical issues. So on behalf of him also, I thank you for your presence here, sir. Sujit sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We'll continue with the second part of this session tomorrow. That's tomorrow we have the second part where we are going to talk about Parent App. We are going to talk about how to download the fitness assessment report, how do you analyze the report, and also we are going to talk about Parent App, and also we are going to talk about what are some of the activities that teachers should be doing as part of their part of improving the fitness level of children during COVID-19. So these are some of the things that we'll talk tomorrow. Yeah. So thank you so much for giving both of us an opportunity. Thanks to Sports Authority of India, Khelo India, Sai LNCP Trivandrum, Dr. G. Kishore, a great, he provides great encouragement to just about everyone. So thank you also.
A platform for us. Your presence is also most privileged for us. We are privileged because of you.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you, Sudhir sir, for everything. And we have a wonderful opportunity for this one to meeting you all again. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Participants, now it's a time to fill this feedback form. Please fill this feedbacks form.
Sanjeev sir, I need all the questions. Just ask Pranesh or Hariharan to send out all the questions.
Sure, sir. Yes, I will, sir.
Okay.
Sir, tomorrow's session will be yours or Usha madam, sir?
No, mine.
Fine. Okay.
So Binu Ashokan again from Kendriya Vidyalaya, he's going to join tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. He is madam's student, so he is also
Pet student. Madam's pet student.
pet student.
This is a good exercise. Standing.
It's actually it's better to when you are presenting. So it's so.
One is good for back also.
Yeah, good for back.
For a longer time on chair, it won't look good.
Yeah, so it's actually easy to do it also. I mean, you feel you can move around also instead of being stuck in a chair, I think.
In the previous classes, some experts, they have recommended for these things. The international experts, they have told consent to back also. So they
Yeah.
told when you are sitting for 30 minutes, at least you should.
Yeah, even for 2-3 minutes is actually better. So, but some of the sessions that you're doing, you can always do it by standing. It's easier that way to actually. You can move around.
Participants, those who have filled this feedback forms, they can do this session.
काफी लोगों ने लिखा है कि ओवरऑल नॉलेज अबाउट द टॉपिक कवर्ड आफ्टर अटेंडिंग द वर्कशॉप एंड बिफोर ये तो मैं आपको सबको सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को कहूंगा schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in में जाके there are a lot of videos available at the bottom of the page. Please look at those page so that आपको सारे you will be clear about that.
Even these videos are available now in YouTube also, sir. So still, if they want to observe once again,
they are all linked on schoolfitness.kheloindia.gov.in में सारे videos हैं, linked हैं, सारे YouTube में ही हैं, so they can actually view all of them.
And
Yeah.
download करे तो भी रहेगा.
Yeah, download करके भी आप कर सकते हैं, ऐप के अंदर ही है. Download the app, it is all inside the app also.
Explanation is there, video is there, and it is very, very easy for everybody. Once they are download the app.
Right. ठीक है sir, I think almost 1000 feedback आ गया. I think that will give you a sample size in terms of.
sir.